So we just drove up here to Glencoe, Minnesota. Me and my brother check out this 2000 Pete. Cold up here, so it's gelled up a little bit. Get her going here. I think we're gonna take this one home with us today. Go around. I'll show you kind of what we can on it. We're putting a fuel filter on now, so check things out, and you'll be able to see this is the first time we'll be able to take you along.
But I pretty well knew this was going to happen. You can refill the filter all you want to, put new on there.
Matter you were going to be putting one on the side of the road.
Right. That's why I was putting one on the corner.
What do you think? What do you think that is?
What's that?
Being so loose.
The bushings are shot of the bomb radiator, I'd say.
So on this one, it's got banged up tank underneath.
You guys run just a little bit everywhere?
No northeast, no over the mountains to the west. We don't do any of that crazy shit.
I see. Person the motherfuckers and look at them.
Pretty much done with these guys.
I swore I'd never.
11.5. You know, the heat. You know, Pete's were never known for their heat in the first place. But
That sounds better. Drive tire over here, and I get the steer tire over here. Brakes do work good.
Our mirror works.
Clear.
That's a fan.
Yeah,
Hey, we're back here, buddy. Just come through the curtain. His ex-business partner, his dad, all the time. That's why he still owes his uncle all the front. So we keep, you know, we're like, he's not gonna do a thing with it, you know, so.
It's kind of a cool truck. I mean, just a unique.
You guys finished it? I'm sure it was finished.
Microwave and all that shit over there. Huh. Well, we ended up buying this truck. We're heading home. Home with it now. Cruise control's not working, but the jakes do work, which is odd. So I'll figure that out. A couple gauges not working, but we'll see. We're not sure if we're gonna totally rebuild this truck. We might have a couple customers that are interested in a truck like this, just cleaned up and gone through without doing all the mods too. So we'll see what we do. Should be a good day. Trip on the roads ain't so bad. State highways ain't too bad. The county roads are a little rough leaving up here in Minnesota, but it'll be about, I think, about 190 miles home. So we went and bought another truck up in Minnesota. So we got this 2003 Pete. We're actually got the bunk torn apart right now, fixing all the heaters and all the heating and vents, stuff like that. 60 series Detroit. You know, this one we're gonna just buff it out, throw a few things on it, look over it, brakes, stuff like that. We're gonna set it out for sale while we finish our other projects, and if we haven't sold it by the time we're done with those projects, then we'll bring it back in and we'll do a full build on it. So we just haven't decided. Like I said, it depends on if it sells right away or what we do. So this week we haven't done much more on the 2001 coffin bunk. Finished the body work and prep on the day cab and got it painted. We'll have videos on that coming up. Should be this week. I got behind because I going to get this other truck and some other work we had to do. So here is what we've gotten done so far on this truck. We're still waiting for the visor to show up, headlights, and a few other things. We got to put the lights on. They're still on their way. But she's looking a lot better. Check out our Facebook at McDonald Truck Wash and Chrome Shop, and our Instagram, McDonald Chrome Shop. Our TikTok we just started, which is McDonald Chrome Shop. And the YouTube channel obviously is McDonald Chrome Shop. So if you are on if you're on Facebook and TikTok, stuff like that, we're gonna be doing some different things. But on Facebook, this last week, when we were painting this truck, I did a black and white picture while it was being painted, and we decided to have basically anybody could comment and guess the colors. The two colors this truck was going to be. Anybody that got it right got a free McDonald Chrome Shop hoodie, and we had 4 winners. So anyways, we're trying to do more giveaways and do some stuff that people can join the fun and get some free clothing and parts. We'll decide what all we're going to do here in the future. But besides that, we were just busy all week with finishing that truck up, going to get the other truck, keeping trucks on the road. It was colder this week, so we had quite a few frozen cattle pots this week. I'll show a little of that too in this vlog. I took some video of that. That was a pain, but that's what we do in the winter. Other than that, today is actually a beautiful day out. I don't know if you'll be able to see. I think it's like mid-40s, which is pretty awesome for us. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I got my son. We're gonna go have some fun, ride dirt bikes today. We'll catch you on the next one. Check out McDonaldChromeShop.com, and feel free to send us a message or ask us any questions you want. All right, we'll see you next time. stars. We got all the goodies.
Green. No, blue.
That's not what we want.
Amber to blue.
Yeah, we don't want that. That's not what it's supposed to be sending. I hope they did not send us these. Yeah, those are like mirrors.
Oh, fancy.
Here we got the 12 gauge mirror brackets that are going on that silver and black Pete. Doing the air to airs and some of the other parts. So if anybody has been trying to use our website to purchase any products, we had a lot of things ship out, and then something happened with our shipping and it wouldn't calculate people's shipping correctly. So I spent a couple hours on the phone with the website people, and we got it figured out, the shipping. So everything's back up and running now. So if anybody had any difficulties and was trying to purchase anything and it didn't work, feel free to try it again, or if you ever have any problems, to give us a shout here at the shop, and we will do everything we can to make it work. We appreciate anybody that's been checking out the website. Also, any of the videos, we're getting a good response out of everything. You're always gonna have a few negatives, but all in all, we've had a lot of positives. One of the biggest, I wouldn't say complaints, but what people talk about is the music. To be able to do what we're doing, we need to use copyright-free music, and it's really hard to find that that's actually decent music. So I found a few sources, but I can't use the same thing over and over. So if anybody has any family members or anybody out there that makes music and would want us to try it out, feel free to give us a heads up and we'll check it out and see if it's something that'll work. So this year we've had a great response on the videos that we put out. It was around March 13th of last year is our first video upload. And to date, just on YouTube alone, we'll be right around 700,000 views, give or take just a little bit. And we just started doing our uploads to Facebook, and in the last about month and a half to 2 months, we've had 60,000 views there. So all in all, pretty excited about how things have went this year. We are going to keep putting out more content. I'm gonna try getting more regular, a couple times a week. All the website issues should be figured out. Hopefully anybody that wants to order again can check it out. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Other than that, I hope you like the videos, and we will see you next time.
Accessories Retro Series LED projector headlights are a game changer with classic styling combined with modern technology. They're twice as bright as standard LED headlights and 4 times as bright as halogen bulbs. The secret is their LED projector technology, which features powerful Cree LEDs that face the back of the light and reflect off a mirror to bounce wider and stronger beam patterns forward, making it easier to see and be seen in any conditions. Truck's retro headlights integrate the high beam, low beam, and turn signal using dual halo accents all into one stunning and innovative headlight assembly. Mounting is simple, and these stunning headlights are designed to fit Peterbilt 357, 365, 367, 378, 379, and 389, and will also fit custom applications for most trucks. These striking LED projector headlights are sold individually or as a kit, including Truck's stainless steel mounting bracket. Another original by Trucks. For more information or to find a local distributor, please visit our website at truxaccessories.com.